In this video I'll guide you through how to fix high CPU usage on a Dell laptop in Windows 11. Method 1. We need to find out which program or process is actually using the most CPU. To check this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard at the same time. After pressing it, go to the Performance section. In Performance, select the CPU option. Clicking on CPU will let you see the CPU usage. Give it a few seconds and check which app keeps using a large amount of CPU. If there's a program you recognize and you're not currently using, go to the Processes section, right-click that app, and select End Task. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments which country you're watching this video from. Method 2. Go to the search bar at the bottom and search for Settings. After searching, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to Windows Update. In Windows Update, select Check for Updates at the top. If there's a new update available, go ahead and install it. Method 3. In the search bar at the bottom, type Windows Security and search for it. Now open Windows Security. In Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection. From here, go to Scan Options. In Scan Options, select Full Scan. If Windows Security detects any threats, follow the recommended action. After the scan is complete, restart your laptop and check the CPU usage again in Task Manager. If you're still having any Windows-related issues, let me know.